At Nokia 3.1, and let me show you how to change the font size on the following device. So at first, let's open the list of all applications, find and select the settings, then scroll down and pick display, so it's here, and now open advanced options. Here you'll notice font size, so open it, and now just by tapping on the scale you can change the font size, so you can leave the huge one. Then you can also change the display size, so click on display size, and the same way you can change it to way bigger. So here you can see how it will look like. Let me leave it for now this way. So as you can see, the icons are way bigger than they were. Then if you would like to go back to default settings, just pick the settings one more time, go to display, find and pick font size and display size and make them a default one, and also the display size. Just go to default, and that's it. This is how you can personalize it. You can do it whenever you want to, whenever you need to. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.